All the people here, all the people who care about the park, we're all gonna come together. We're gonna put aside our shit, and we're gonna fucking fight for the park. People's Park!
I'm really outraged that the university is bent on tearing down this part of people's history. They should be preserving the park.
It's autonomous because individual groups have the liberty to take whatever actions they feel are necessary to save the park. Be able to organize, to come up with your own ideas. We need to start taking action now. So that's what this is all about.
But just seeing huge trees getting chopped down, like huge, like 30, 40-foot redwoods being bulldozed down and like in front of people. It's not just the trees, it's like symbolic of the space too. Really, really sad to see.